What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another challenge. But there's Babe.
What's up?
That fineness. But anyways, we finna get to this. Y'all. Y'all want to see what we're doing? Something a little different. We trying something new. Snacks, drinks, sweets, whatever. Babe, you want to show them what we got over here? She's trying to upload another video over here. Alright, so
We got the
glaze.
I can't never get that. The glazed blueberry jumbo donuts. That's what we got, y'all.
So,
I
that's
love
something
blueberries.
we haven't tried that before. Okay.
Then we have low fat snack. It is a orange cream pop tweezers. You'll see it.
She's on the spot. Yep, that's it.
And then we got, what is this?
The cracked pepper turkey snack sticks. Never had that before.
Then we got the iced coffee Dunkin' Donuts.
Never had that before
Drink.
either.
Babe's favorite, Kit Kat ice cream.
Never had that before either.
And then we got Mr. Mistress.
We can't be cursive right now.
Mystery something kind of cookies. Macadamia. I love macadamia. Babe doesn't, but she said she gonna try it anyway. Then we got this Juice Pacific Punch Monster drink. And then we have funnel cake flavor snack balls. Oh, wow. Sweet and crunchy. Ooh.
We thought we had more stuff than that. If that was the case, we could have went to the store again and got something else. But it's okay though, cause y'all have 3 videos that y'all gotta watch in a day. So yeah, so Babe's trying to upload our other video, but we finna get into it. Where you going, baby? No.
What?
Try and get a new place for her. No, babe, not that.
What?
Say it like, okay, that's fine. Yeah. That's fine. Alright, y'all, I got fair one place, y'all. So y'all can see all the actions. All the action. All the actions. All the actions. What? All the actions. Hold on, I'm thirsty. Oh, babe, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Alright. Alright, y'all. Get move these out y'all way, y'all faces and stuff. Alright, baby. You go ahead and choose which one we're gonna try first, baby. Oh, I knew it.
Glazed.
She knows I hate donuts. I hate it.
So we're getting it out the way. Hey, it matches your hair.
No.
Yeah.
No, my hair is too pretty to be looking like some damn donuts.
It matches your hair. Look at the purple. Don't it matches our hair? Is blue and purple. Our favorite, blue and purple. Our colors. One for you and one for me.
Look how ugly it is. Like,
It ain't ugly.
It smell like Corona. Do Corona even have a smell, y'all?
Yeah.
I'm not touching this thing, so. Oh, babe, I done dropped that down there. Alright, y'all. I can't do it.
You don't quit making that face. I like these. They'd be better warmed up though. Babe, if you don't quit making that face. Alright. That's out the way.
Alright. Oh, my turn?
Yes.
Alright, so I think I want to try this.
Alright,
Get that nasty taste out my mouth.
Y'all know what I gotta do. It's Batman season. It's Batman season. Y'all look at this cup. I love this cup. Go ahead and pour me up.
Just in case you don't like it.
Hey, it smells pretty good.
Oh, yeah,
y'all.
that smells good. This gonna have me bouncing off the walls, baby.
All this gonna have you bouncing off the walls. Good thing
Oh,
we
I
ain't
still
gotta.
got that donut taste in my mouth.
Good thing we ain't gotta go to work tomorrow.
All right, ready?
Set,
Go.
go. Why it taste like fruit punch? What?
I like this. And we don't even drink energy drinks.
Oh, you gotta pour me some more.
Mine now. Look, y'all.
That is
Y'all,
good.
this is good. Oh my God, we don't even drink energy drinks.
Okay, pour it all the way up. I'll save it for later. There you go. That's enough because you gotta have some too. Alright. That's good. Batman
good.
won with it, y'all.
That's good, y'all. Y'all recommend y'all for to get some of that. All right, baby, your turn. Where my spoon go, baby? Oh.
I'm gonna have to try this right here.
Oh shoot. See the name of it? Now good luck opening that. That's a mistress right there. It's a mistress. They got little wieners. Oh wow, you saw my pull out game like that? Oh, why does it look like that?
Alright, y'all ready?
Look, y'all. Why does it look oily?
This is a beef jerky brand.
Not like that.
Yes.
What you could do things. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
It's alright.
I don't like the texture.
It's alright. I taste the pepper in it. Not bad at all. I'm gonna slide that back in here, y'all. We're gonna act like we didn't touch this. But it got a whole bit. That ain't bad at all.
It's not bad. I don't like the texture of it. It's just,
It's too rubbery for.
yeah, that's not.
She don't like nothing rubbery.
So what she said. I need to drink something. Alright, next on my side, let's wash it down with some sweets. They need to do this with all ice creams.
Look like it's already melted.
So dang hot. I'll melt too. So like y'all. I'm lactose, y'all. And I don't got no type of lactose pills. And I'm eating this. I don't like it. The Kit Kat is stale. We gave us a stale Kit Kat. You get the stick Kit Kat? It tastes stale. I don't like it. There's a date on there.
I don't know, it's right till next year.
I
I
don't
guess
like
that's how it is.
I don't like it. That can go to the kids or throw it away, or you can have it.
I don't want it.
We'll give it to the kids. So
It's alright. It'd probably be better if it was fully frozen all the way, but it's kind of hot in here. And
we
it's
got the
hot.
AC on though, baby.
It's kind of hot outside too, so
True. I don't like
everything's melting in here.
it.
All right. So next, the orange cream pop. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. All right. I don't know how this is gonna taste.
She don't like. I mean, she likes Twizzlers. I don't like Twizzlers. I would prefer licorice more than anything, but I will eat Twizzlers if I don't have nothing else sweet to eat. I don't care for it.
I ain't gonna open it all the way because I don't know if I, you know.
Even got the cream in the middle. That's what she said.
There you go, it's yours.
Ooh. Come on. Let me whip ya. Yeah. Give me that nice one.
Bae,
Oh, my bad.
y'all can have her because something's literally wrong with her.
Look, y'all. They got the cream in the middle, like the little ice cream popsicles. All right, ready?
Y'all ready?
I like it.
It's alright.
It's fire, y'all.
It's alright. I already got man's hair all over my. Really?
That's why it's not good. Those can stay with me.
She said you can have what you want those. I don't want those. I do not want them.
Best friend, you want some? Because this is good, girl. Oh, where's the moving to the next?
Yeah. Y'all, she can have it after we get done with this, y'all. Because I ain't going to be able to keep her down. I'm finna probably, like, have to throw her outside or something. Because all that energy she finna have by the time the day is over with.
All right, y'all. Now we're going to try the snack balls. The funnel snack balls. Smell like funnels, for real. Smell it, y'all. This is how the balls look like. Smell it, baby. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You done add 4 of them. You talking about some hold on. She like them. Because she done ate about 4 or 5 of them already. Talking about some hold on.
These are booming. I'm telling you, these are good. Something wrong with her taste, but these are good.
That's nasty.
These good, y'all. But I'm going to give it to the kids. All right, baby.
Last but not least on my side, it's the Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee.
What flavor is it? French vanilla. And we love French vanilla.
Do I gotta shake it?
Shake it. I'll shake it just to be sure.
It says Dunkin' Donuts.
Just shake it, baby. We're gonna shake his ass. There you go.
Always a mystery when you gotta open these things. Like, really.
That's not bad, babe. You really don't like it?
I don't like it.
What's wrong with it?
It's nasty.
You nasty.
I know I'm nasty. You experience that every day.
Goodbye.
I know I'm slow. Y'all leave me alone.
good.
If
I
you
like
don't
it.
try it. It ain't got no sugar in it.
For real?
You gotta taste it yourself. I can't just tell you.
Y'all pray for me.
Drink it. Drink it.
It's good, baby.
No, it's not.
It's real good.
No, it's not.
It's good.
No, it's not. I seen your face.
Why Dunkin' Donuts made this? This should be garbage. We throwing this in the garbage.
Y'all. So, y'all see this, right? So, tell me why we bought a whole pot, about this big, of coffee. And it's Dunkin' Donuts and it tastes better than this. Tell me that. We made it ourselves and it tastes better than this.
That is nasty. It tastes like black coffee. Black coffee, literally. Don't get that. Alright, y'all. We throwing that in the garbage.
Bro, if you want this, you can have this because you drink straight up coffee with no sugar and no creamer. So if you want this, come get it.
That tastes like black coffee. That's what I said. It tastes like black coffee. Alright, y'all. Last one out.
Say, babe.
Y'all didn't see that.
Say the best for last in my case.
That's nasty.
Say the best for last.
Oh, this is cute. We got one for you, and I'll share with you. All right? Because I don't want to waste them, because these are yours. Throw that over there.
The only question is how can I open it?
I don't know.
Alright. Okay, that's real good. Just get crumbs everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this little cute little thing.
It's a soft baked cookie.
I'll give you that much because you don't.
Ooh, stinks.
I don't think it's supposed to smell good, babe.
It smell like, ugh.
Alright, y'all ready?
You're supposed to smell good. It's a cookie.
Babe, you ready?
Yeah.
Mm. You put it out there.
That's nasty, y'all.
Just right.
You can keep those. You know what? It's cool. I got my Monster. Okay? Bam. Hater Gator.
Well, that was good.
Yeah, well, that was the end of the video, y'all. I guess we go ahead and let y'all go. Y'all gonna be seeing us again here pretty soon. We're gonna get back, uploading, try different things. We're really wishing to go try Wendy's breakfast, but we might do that next time. What?
I see something in the camera.
Really?
Just looking at it's SpongeBob.
Really? So, y'all have any ideas, just hit me up. Y'all know my Instagram. Y'all know my TikTok. Y'all know everything about me. But we're going to go ahead and let y'all go. What you got to say to the fans, baby?
Y'all be careful out here.
Yep, y'all be careful. What the heck?
Why did you jump like that?
Because it's fizzing. But we're going to head to go end this vlog. I mean vlog. It says vlog. I guess because we've been vlogging all day. Go ahead and end this challenge, y'all. Go ahead and let y'all do what you got to do. But this video was short. Sorry, y'all. Could have been better, but it wasn't. So go ahead and let y'all go.